Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into today's video. In this one, I'm going to talk you through a specific use case for Excel on your iPad. There are certain features in Excel that you cannot use with the iOS application. However, you can use these features via Excel Online, which you can easily access through your browser via the Office portal. The main two features that spring to mind are pivot tables and conditional formatting. So probably not something you use every day, but still nice to have every once in a while. If you do need to use these features, you can do so via the Office portal on your iPad. As always, we've got all our files saved in OneDrive, so they can be easily accessed from anywhere. But before we get into this, it's crucial that you understand the fundamentals of file management with Office 365 and OneDrive. Think about how you would normally work with files on a laptop. If you had a bunch of Excel sheets saved in OneDrive, you'd be able to access them from your laptop with the Excel software, but you'd also be able to access them from the Office portal, and you could share them with your colleagues and they could work on them together with you. This is all still exactly the same on iPad, and you can do all of these things as long as all your files are kept safe in OneDrive. Alright, open Safari and go to portal.office.com. You'll need to log in with your username and password and approve the Authenticator prompt on your iPhone if you have Authenticator set up, which you should do. By the way, notice how I didn't have to type anything in here, it just instantly logged me in using Face ID. If you want to learn how to set this up, click to watch this tutorial, or I'll put the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, tap the Excel icon on the left. You'll see all your recent files, and once you find the one you need, click on the three dots and choose Open in Browser. This will open the spreadsheet in Safari with Excel Online, and you can use all the features that don't exist in the native iOS app. Pretty handy, right? Now, let's say you want to put some conditional formatting in place on a sheet. You can do this via the browser here, just as you would on a laptop. So let's add some in for this imaginary sales data. What's great about this is if you then go back and open the sheet at a later date in the native Excel app, rather than through the web browser, you'll still see this conditional formatting, and it'll also update the colors if you change your numbers around. You'll just need to jump back into the browser via the Office portal link if you want to make changes to the conditional formatting in the future. Hopefully that makes sense. I actually really like working via Excel Online through the Office portal, because it has a very similar user interface to the laptop version of Excel, which is what you're probably used to. So you've got the choice of using this instead of the dedicated app if you prefer. We're actively working on plenty of other tutorials for all the other common Office apps, so be sure to subscribe to our channel by pressing the subscribe button, and you can also click the bell icon if you want to get notifications every time we upload a new video.